before she got here, you said she had a BM.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can literally feel like a. Look at how
She's like
comfortable
so
she looks,
peaceful
though.
though. I'm not gonna
She
lie.
likes you a lot, I think. She likes your breasts.
She's just like is moving on. She's a little gassy.
Oh, you see that face? She's like, ooh.
That's a fart or a BM.
Sometimes they're sharts. She definitely sharts.
Oh, baby shit's gross, huh?
Yeah, like it's like a.
Is it really green?
And fart.
Sticking out that like.
It's not like that. Keith was almost gonna.
There was only one where I was like, grossed up by the smell, but other than that, I've been fine. It doesn't look like the shits we have at all.
No.
Because it's all formula.
Oh, baby
Well,
shit's
speak
like
for yourself.
gooey.
Yeah, it's gooey. It doesn't bother me. I try to like. I mean, I get like. I don't want to